the story My Greatest Olympic Prize by Jesse Owens. We have seen a little bit about the author and the literary devices used. Today we shall look at the story. I am not going to explain to you word by word or even by paragraph by paragraph, but try to explain such a way that you are able to answer the assignment in the workbook. So today's class will be helping you to write the first two assignments, the first two questions in the assignment section in the workbook. Which games did Jesse play? What all games did Jesse play? Of course, the first and foremost one was the long jump. He also participated in 100 meters, 200 meters and 4 into 100 meters relay. These are the 4 items in which he earned a gold medal. Long jump, 100 meters, 200 meters dash, 400 into 100 meters relay race. But when we speak about his greatness, the first and foremost thing comes to our mind is the long jump. Why wasn't Jesse worried? Why wasn't Jesse worried? He wasn't worried because himself says that he had trained himself. I had trained, sweated and disciplined for 6 years. I had trained myself, I sweated and I had disciplined myself for 6 years. Therefore, I wasn't worried. There was one more reason for his not worrying, that is the Big Ten Conference Championship of 1935. The Big Ten Championship of 1935, which was held at Ann Arbor, Michigan. In this Big Ten Conference, he won 4 gold medals. That's why the famous thing called 4 gold medals, 4 world records in 45 minutes. 4 world records in 45 minutes. In 45 minutes time, he set 4 world records. He broke 3 world records and tied in 1. What were the items he participated in? Long jump, 100 yards dash, 220 yards dash and 220 low hurdles. These were the items he participated in and set world record. Therefore, he was feeling very comfortable now and he wasn't worried. And his long jump record was 26 feet 8 by 1.4 inches. 26 feet and 8 1/4 inches. That was the record he set, and that record remained unchanged for next 25 years. That is, till 1960, nobody could break that record. Another question is, nationalistic feelings were high. Jesse Owens says the nationalistic feelings were very high in those days. That is in 1936 when Jesse was participating in the Olympics. Nationalistic feelings were high. What is the meaning of nationalistic feelings were high? Each one thinking of his nation, because Hitler was trying to say that his race is the most superior one, and everybody else wanted to prove that his own nation is also great. Hitler childishly insisted that his performers were members of a master race. So that is the problem. Hitler kept on insisting childishly. To insist means keep on saying. He kept on saying childishly. That is just like a child who wants to have something, till it gets it, it will keep on asking. Like that, Hitler kept on saying that his performers were members of a higher race, a superior race. The Germans were members of a superior race. Because of his insisting this point, nationalistic feelings were high. Whom did Jesse see there when he went to participate in the Olympics and the trial to the Olympic game, qualification for the qualification round was going to take place? Suddenly he saw somebody. Whom did Jesse see? He saw a tall German boy named Laszlo appearing to participate in the games. Most probably Hitler must have kept him hidden. His name was not published and people did not know that he was going to participate. Laszlo was a world famous long jumper. Why was Jesse startled? Startled means shocked, surprised. Why was he frightened? Why was Jesse startled? He was startled because Laszlo cleared 26 feet at the qualifying round itself. At the qualifying round itself, trials itself, very easily Laszlo cleared 26 feet in the long jump. When Jesse saw this, he was really shocked. For a moment he got scared. Will I win? You remember? His record till then was 26 feet, 1/4 inches. And in trial itself, Laszlo very easily covered 26 feet. So he was startled. If Laszlo wins, what is the problem? What is the difficulty? In case Laszlo wins, what was the worry of Jesse? It will prove right the Aryan superiority theory of Hitler. It will prove right the Aryan superiority theory of Hitler. Hitler had believed that Aryans, including the Germans, belonged to a superior race and they can achieve anything and everything. Others cannot. And the fact that Jesse was a Negro, he knew that if he was to lose and Last Long was to win, that will be supporting Hitler's Aryan superiority feelings. Then there is a phrase saying, Jesse was a little hot under the collar about Hitler's ways. Jesse was a little hot under the collar about Hitler's ways. This is one of the questions asked. You have to write the meaning of a little hot under the collar. What's the meaning? It means angry or resentful. Angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry or resentful, R-E-S-E-N-T-F-U-L. That's the meaning of it. So, Jesse was a little hot under the collar. He was angry. He was resentful about Hitler's ways. That is, Hitler's ways of considering other races lower to the Aryans, and especially Hitler had a dislike towards Negroes. Jesse was angry with this treatment of Hitler. Jesse was determined to go out there and show Der Führer and his members who is who. Jesse was determined. Jesse Owens was determined. He had decided to go out there. This is another question asked. To go out there means to participate in the Olympic Games and show Der Führer and his master race. Der Führer. Who is Der Führer? This is another question asked. Der Führer is the political title given to Adolf Hitler. Der Führer was the political title given to Adolf Hitler. Führer means leader. Der Führer means that was a political title given to Adolf Hitler. So, Jesse wanted to go and participate in the Olympic Games and show to Hitler and his master race that you are not superior. Anybody can become superior. I too can become superior provided I have talents. How was the trial? How was the trial run? The qualifying round. The trial run was very bad for Jesse Owens. He struggled to qualify himself. What was the reason for his failure? He was angry. And he himself says, an angry athlete can never perform well. Jesse Owens was angry because of the reasons we have already said. The nationalistic feelings, Hitler's attitude, and his hiding Last Long, and now bringing him forward, and he's clearing the trial run by 26 feet. All these things had made Jesse Owens angry, and that resulted in his poor performance in the qualifying round. How did Jesse succeed? How did he got himself qualified? Who helped him? It was Last Long, the tall German boy, who helped him. He had to clear 13 by 25 inches. 23 feet, 5, 13 by 25 inches to qualify himself to participate in the Olympics. You remember, he had already done a marvelous work, 26 feet, 8, 1 by 4 inches. Now he needs only 23 feet. Even that he could not clear. What happened was, suppose we have the pit here, and this is the takeoff board. You are running from here, this is the takeoff board, then you jump into the pit. So whenever he jumped, he was crossing this one. You are standing on it and making a foul. So you could not clear it. So Lars comes and touches his shoulder and inquires about him, and he tells him, "You are a great jumper. He can easily, without any difficulty, clear it. You are making a mistake, please correct it." So he told him to draw a line a few feet before the takeoff board and then jump from here. So he did exactly as Lars told him. He drew a line and jumped from behind and got himself qualified.